Oriri ndereti ya kuongererwo kwa magoti mutaratara-ini wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2023 ithiete na mbere na gwakiriria. Mutongoria wa bururi ndagitari William Ruto ni ahugukiire ruhonge rwa magoti guku bururi-ini KRA, akiuga mahaki nimo mathamakaga kuona gucungirira bururi kurwo ni mabirioni ma mbeca. Akiaria nyumba-ini ya Times Tower riria eguikinyitie kuihuria uria akoretwo akiriha igoti, president augite kuri na andu makoretwo magitongia kiumbe na thiku ciao riu ni thiru.
I must tell you, collusion, wanton bribe taking. Let me repeat that. Collusion, wanton bribe taking, and general corruption continue to pervade operations of KRA, facilitating tax evasion, massive leakages of potential revenue, and inability to meet revenue target.
President ureuma hamwe na munini wa Rigathi Gachagua ni ongereire kuga ni nginyagia KRA icenjie mikire ya maundu na aria mamenyerete kuruta wira na mahaki matahikithio, guku akiuria KRA ihimbirie gutungata muingi handu ha kunyamaria.
There are many people who are encouraged, who are facilitated by KRA staff not to pay tax. And you know what I'm saying is true. You know very well we would be collecting more money than we are doing, but because we have staff in KRA who do not work for the government of Kenya, they work for themselves.
O president augite aruti wira mwa KRA makoretwo mari muhinga wa kugathikwo kwa mitambo miega na ya kiriu ya kugacirithia rogoti wa magoti niguo mathie na mbere na gwitongia makihuthira mahoro maria mari kuo mitambo-ini iria irahuthika kwa ihinda riri.
The resistance to the introduction and upgrading of revenue administration technologies is an emphatic signal of the corporate culture of an organization that is not willing to do its job, which suggests that arbitrary, opaque, and fundamentally corruptible revenue collection methods are the preferred modus operandi.
Okaide-ini okau president ni oritie honge cia thirikari ihuthire mbeca cia muingi uria kwagiriire na njira ya kihoto na waragania hatari witangi niguo gukinyaniria tabarira cia uthii wa na mbere wa bururi.
I will take personal responsibility over the safety and the proper use of the public resources of the people of Kenya. It's the only way they can continue to legitimately pay their taxes.
Miario ya president yukite oriri thirikari itanyite kurogota makiria ma ciringi trilioni 2.7 thiini wa mwaka ukite wa kigina niguo gukinyaniria mutaratara wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2023. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.